Hello, my name is Nicholas Mahalik, and today I will be presenting about exercise 6, 3D printing, and my country, which is Japan. So, what is 3D printing? 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. The creation of 3D printed object is actually achieved using an additive processes. In an additive process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. Each of these layers can be seen as a thinly sliced horizontal cross section of the eventual object. So, who's actually using the 3D printing? The current use of industrial 3D printing machines in Japan are mostly for research and development purposes, but it's projected that the market will be open for mass production by additive manufacturing. Major hurdles to wider acceptance of additive manufacturing in Japan include traditional Japanese business culture, which is generally hesitant to try out new technology. Also, the majority of the Japanese industry still believe that 3D printing is cutting edge technology but are unaware of US companies which can introduce 3D printing to mass production. Why is Japan using 3D printing? A unique reason for Japan's interest in the 3D printing sector is its shrinking population. Japan is projected to experience a net decrease of 5.9 million people in the next 10 years, or 4.77% of Japan's current population of 123.7 million people. In addition, large numbers of Japan's experienced skilled workers are retiring. Consequently, Japan's manufacturing companies face the challenge of ensuring appropriate transfer of operational skills and know how to the next generation of company employers. 3D printing on a mass production level may play an important role in addressing these industrial challenges. Where are they using 3D printing? A key trend in the Japanese market is that the private use of 3D printing machines is likely to decrease, and the industrial use will continue to grow. Experts believe that the private use of 3D printing equipment market is now in the saturation stage and past the peak of market growth. Industrial use of 3D printing for large-scale production is expected to grow in automotive, aerospace, and machine learning tools in mass production. What are they using 3D printing in Japan? With 3D printing, designers in Japan have the ability to quickly turn concepts into 3D models or prototypes and implement rapid design changes. It lets manufacturers produce products on demand rather than in large runs, improving inventory management and reducing warehouse space. People in remote locations can fabricate objects that would otherwise be inaccessible to them. How can 3D printing in Japan help solve local SDG issues? From a practical standpoint, 3D printing can save money and material versus subtractive techniques, as very little raw material is wasted. And it promises to change the nature of manufacturing, eventually letting consumers download files for printing even complex 3D objects, including, for example, electronic devices in their own home. Now, to finish the presentation, I will give you two truths and a lie. So, the first one is 3D printing was invented in the last century. Number two is there are a lot of methods to print in 3D. And number three is you cannot print a gun. That will be it for my presentation. Thank you very much.